quick test drive. We have 90,329 miles on the odometer. Now looking at the screen here, if you see any flickering, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Shifts nice and smooth. When you hit the brakes, the steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy or vibrate in any way. The alignment is perfect. The steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. Nice and straight. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at the wheel, you're going to have little chips here and there. I don't see any curb rash though. Got the Hercules LT 275 60/20s. Looking at the tread, it's on the lower side. Looking at that fender looks really, really nice. That pillar's clean. Typical rock impacts and like light bug etching on there. A couple markings, a few little scratches. There's a larger chip that's been touched up. Here's some light scuffs here. You have a scratch there. That looks good. Now this is from the factory most likely, but you do have a slight yellow hue on the plastic bumper compared to the metal up top, so you might see that difference there. Looking at this wheel, looks really nice. There's more tread on this than there is on the front, and same with this front bumper. It's slightly yellowed compared to the rest of the body. Some little chips here and there, very, very subtle, especially considering the mileage. It's really clean. And then you're gonna have typical rock impacts here on that. A couple chips there. And of course, if you get really close, you're gonna see the impacts and kind of bug etching there. Some chips that have been touched up. That looks good. That fender's clean. Looking at that wheel, you do have some flaws in the finish right there. It's very subtle, but I don't see any curb rash. The tires up here are a little low. Some light scuffs here. You do have some transfer marks here, some little scratches on the plastic. You can see that's kind of chipping. A-pillar looks good. Overall, that door is clean. Same with that one. Now you can see these light scratches on the pillar, and it kind of goes down all of that. Very subtle, but I see it more here in that area. That looks good. Overall, the wheel's in great condition. Some light scuffs here and there and on that plastic, otherwise it looks good. All right, checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. Looking at that door panel, it's in great condition. This wood looks amazing. Handle area is nice and clean. Got the memory seating with the easy entry exit. All of that looks really, really nice. Bose audio, typical scuffs from getting in and out, but you do have that all-weather mat. And looking at that bolster, that looks amazing. I don't see any scuffs or scratches there. That side looks good. Very, very clean. Here on the steering wheel, you still have a really clean finish to it. I don't see a bunch of scuffs and scratches. Those buttons look good. They are heated. There's your forward collision alert. And looking in here, you got your 360 camera. There's your outlet for the cargo area, auto start stop. It's got everything in the power steering column, heads up display. All of this is in great condition. Heated, cool seats, wireless charging. Looks really, really good. Here on that door panel, really light scuffs there. That looks good. The seat's in great condition, actually. Really, really nice. That side of the console's clean. Here on that glove box, you're gonna see little scratches up and down that. The leather here looks nice. Just kind of scanning that dash, that looks good. Massive panoramic roof. Here on that door panel, overall looks really good. Some light scratches here. The back of this seat looks good. I know it's hard to see back here, but those seats look really, really nice. Very clean. You got the heated seats and the ports there. Looking at that seat, really, really nice. All right, checking out the engine bay. All of this plastic looks really nice. Trying to get up close to scan through some of this. Looking back here, you have the all-weather liners. That looks really good. Got the power folding seats, got the outlet in there, and of course it is power. Then here on the step, you can see it's kind of gashed on the end of that plastic and the cap is kind of popping off.